the night so bright, the animals gather in delight. Let's make music, come along. Each one joins with their own song. The rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo. The cow joins in with a big loud moo. The ducks quack quack, the sheep go baa. What a symphony, oh la la. The pigs go oink, the horse says neigh. The dog barks woof in a joyful way. The cats meow, the owl says hoo. Together they play a magical tune. The frogs go ribbit by the stream. The crickets chirp in the moonlight gleam. The barnyard hums in harmony. What a lovely animal symphony. So many sounds all night long. Together they make the perfect song. When animals sing, it's clear to see nature's the best symphony.